the teachers and all my dear friends. I, Asmi, and my co-host Tanshi are glad to conduct today's special assembly by Class 3. It is true that a prayer that comes from our heart can move mountains. Showers of blessings, this is the promise of love. Showers of blessings we need. Today's news updates, I would like to invite Paneet. BJP core group holds crucial meet first list set to be out today.
Let's take a moment to listen Samprita and Himani as they share their thoughts.
The gift of knowledge is priceless and teachers are the generous giver of this gift. Thank you.
अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते. Now it's time to invite Adit to enlighten us with his thoughts.
Good morning and a warm welcome to respected Principal Ma'am and all my beloved teachers. Teachers Day is celebrated all over India on 5th September. Celebration of Teachers Day was started by the first Vice President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I would love to thank all my teachers who are working hard to teach us and help us to learn new things every day. It is evident in our shlokas. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Teachers will always be the pillars of every student's life.
And emotion has found thought words. So here comes Purvi to recite an English poem.
Teachers are superhero in a special way. They help us run and grow every single day. They read us stories and make us smile and help us discover for a long while. उनका आशीर्वाद मिले, इससे बड़ा कोई सम्मान नहीं है. तो आइए सुनते हैं वृंदा की सुंदर कविता. ज्ञान की बातें जो सिखाता गुरु हमारा वह कहलाता. ज्ञान दीप्ति ज्योति देकर अंधकार को दूर भगाता. संस्कार सिखलाए गुरु जी, बड़ों का मान बतलाए गुरु. सबको ज्ञान बांटते जाते, अपना ज्ञान बढ़ाते जाते. Can you suggest me some good gift?
Good gift. Okay, let's watch this skit.
Skit?
Yes, let's watch this beautiful skit performance by our classmates to know what can be the best gift to our teacher.
Gattu and Chinky were playing around with their friends in the classroom.
Come on, boys! Attack! Girls, let's teach them a lesson. Pick the aeroplane and attack them.
That's when Mishra sir enters the classroom. What is all this noise? Within 2 minutes, I want everyone to bring their homeworks and put it on the table. Hearing that, everyone starts looking at each other because none of them have actually done the homework. Nobody has done the homework. You all just know how to misbehave in the class. Now all of you get up and hold your ears. Come on, do it fast. The entire class stands holding their ears. And that's when Pune comes there with the circular. Teachers Day circular, sir. All the teachers are hereby informed that the Teachers' Day will be held in the respective classroom. All the students should prepare their own plan and offer greetings to their teachers. Immediately after reading the instruction, all the teachers are requested to be in the meeting room.
So, sir, can you sit now?
Why do you want to sit?
Sir, you need to go and meet principal. And we need to do Teachers' Day planning.
Planning or want to make noise once again? My punishment hasn't ended yet. Now I'm going to give you all double homework. And if it's not finished by tomorrow, you all know what punishment I'll give. Sit and open your notebooks now. Kids, sit and open your notebooks. Mishra sir writes a lot of homework for the kids and leaves the staff room.
Oh friends, so much homework. Even if we sit all night, we won't be able to complete it.
Mishra sir is angry on us. That's why he gives so much homework. If we don't do it today, tomorrow we
Tomorrow is anyways Teacher's Day. We have to do all the planning. If we take lot of gifts for Mr. Sir, he will be very happy. And then he won't punish us.
Brilliant idea. In that way, we need not do any homework at all. Everyone listen. If you want to escape from homework and Mr. Sir's punishment, tomorrow for the occasion of Teacher's Day, everyone bring gifts. It's Teacher's Day and we want to buy a nice gift for Mr. Sir.
Wow, that's a fantastic idea.
Now let's go, Dad. Let's go and buy a nice gift for Mr. Sir.
Yeah, let's go.
What go? Don't you see outside it's raining cats and dogs? How will we go in such a bad weather?
Sorry, Chris. It's raining really heavy outside. I'll tell you something. You start doing your homework, and as soon as the rain stops, we should go out to buy the gift. Is that fine?
Okay, Dad.
Dragon starts doing the homework. After a while, Peter says,
Chinky, can you please check whether the rain has stopped or not?
Chinky goes to the window and sees that the rain is even harder now.
Oh no, it's raining cats and dogs. Okay then, let's continue to do our homework.
Both the kids continue to do their homework. This rain just isn't stopping, and all the shops too must have got closed by now. Ask the kids to go and sleep now. I don't think we can buy the gifts.
Leave it. After a long time, they both are doing homework. If we tell them, they won't do their homework. Because of rain, at least homework will finish.
Well, that's a good idea. Good night. Dad and Mom go to sleep, and Kattu and Chinky work all night to finish their homework. They continue to do the homework till morning 4 a.m.
Chinky, has the rain stopped now at least?
It hasn't stopped raining, but I'm done with my homework.
We completed our homework.
Wow, we need not buy the gift as well. Mr. Sir will be happy seeing the homework.
Mishra sir,
Teacher's Day.
thank you, and same to you all. Now come forward and keep all your homework on the table. Please do it quickly. As soon as Mishra sir says that, all the students get up from their seats and leave their gifts on the table. What is this? Instead of notebooks, I have gifts all over the table. No problem at all. Thank you, everyone. Kattu and Chinky, where is your gift?
Here, we have a special gift for you, sir. Come on, Chinky.
Kattu and Chinky takes their notebook and shows it to Mishra sir.
Here is your gift. We sat the whole night and completed all the homework.
Opens the notebooks and starts to check them. He gives Kattu and Chinky, well done. Kids, today is Teacher's Day. This gift of Kattu and Chinky is what I like the most. Just always think good for you. You become clever and grow well in your life. That's what teachers wish for.
We are going to help others to complete their homework.
That's a great idea. Now that is what I call Teacher's Day.
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके ಗುರುವೇ